Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution for 2025. This powerhouse can charge an iPhone 6 or more times, ensuring you stay connected all day, every day, without searching for an outlet. What makes this power bank stand out is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more slow charging, just optimal power every single time, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or charging your phone and earbuds on the go. It's not just capacity, it's smart, efficient power delivery packed into a surprisingly sleek and durable design that easily fits in any bag. If you're looking for the best portable charger for travel, daily commutes, or emergency backup, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute game changer. Imagine never worrying about low battery again. That's the peace of mind this reliable power bank offers. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 today. For anyone seeking a top-tier portable power solution, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is my absolute top recommendation.